The body of Khushi Mohan Roy, one of the miners who died in the coal mine mishap in Dima Hasao district, reached the deceased house at Machergaon village of Chithila in Kokrachhar. And Roy was trapped in a coal mine in Umrangso and died in a major mishap, an incident which since then has attracted national attention. The body arrived at the residence around 3 a.m. today and was received by the grieving family members of the deceased. Khushi Mohan Roy had gone to Umrangso about a month and a half ago in search of work and started working as a labourer in a coal mine there. His body was found on the 5th day after the mishap during the rescue operations, which are still underway at the site. Khushi Mohan Roy leaves behind his mother, his wife, 2 sons and 2 daughters.
দুৰ্ভাগ্যজনক ঘটনা এইটো মই দেউতা উমৰাংচুঙত কাম কৰিবলৈ কয়লাখনিত কাম কৰিবলৈ গৈছিল। 1.5 মাহ হৈ গ'ল, ইমান দিন কাম নাছিল। প্ৰথম এদিনে কাম আছিল, 6 তাৰিখে কাম আছিল, যেটো ঘটনা হৈ গ'ল 6 তাৰিখত এদিনে কামটো আছিল, সেইদিনে এনেকা হৈ গৈছে। তেতিয়া মই অৰুণাচলত থাকো, তাত ফোন কৰি মোক জনালে যে তোৰ দেউতা এনেকা হৈ গৈছে, ঘৰত আহিব লাগে। তেতিয়া আহিলো, তেতিয়া উদ্ধাৰ অভিযান চলি আছিল। উদ্ধাৰ অভিযান চলি থাকোঁতে 11 তাৰিখে উদ্ধাৰ কৰিব পাৰিলে মোৰ দেউতাক।